Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, we are going to see how to do a page setup. First, what is the use of page setup? Page setup option is used to control various parameters like margin, page orientation, line numbers, borders, etc. etc. If you want to align a page, the page setup is very mandatory. You want to set the margins, you can provide the line numbers, borders, you can change the styles, page element for entire document or for a page. Everything can be done using page setup. How to reach the page setup? Here there are two ways to reach a page setup. One is how to go to page setup. First method is go to page layout. Here is a page layout and go to page setup dialog box launcher. Here is a page setup dialog box launcher. Where is it? Here is a page setup dialog box launcher. If you click it, the page setup will open. This is the first method you can reach page setup. In second method, go to file tab and go to print. In print, this print you can see page setup. When you click this dialog box will appear where we can have three tabs, namely margins, papers, a layout. If you want to set the margin for a page, yes, here's a top margin, as a bottom, left, right, guitar and guitar position. If you want to change the orientation of a page, that is either you want to print it lengthwise or widthwise, yes, here is an portrait, so lengthwise, and this is widthwise landscape. Either that can be applied to multiple pages or document. If you want to print multiple page in a single page, yes, you can do it using this option. And next, page setup. Page setup option is used to control the parameters like margin, page orientation, line numbers, border, etc. There are three tabs in page setup dialog box, namely margins, papers and layout. So here you can able to see three tabs: margins, paper, layout. Margin tab is used to set up a page margins, page orientation and pages. Either you can able to print multiple pages simultaneously. So margins is used to set top, bottom, left, right, guitar and guitar positions. And orientation, this orientation is used to change the presentation of the page either lengthwise or widthwise. This orientation, either you can able to present the information in lengthwise or widthwise. That can be done using orientation. And page have various options. Page views, that is this pages have the various option, namely normal, it's a normal view, and mirror margin. If you want to like mirror image, yes you can. And 2 pages per sheet, yes you can able to print 2 pages per sheet. And book fold, like your book notebook, you can able to print it as book fold. And next comes your paper. Paper tab is used to select the paper size and paper use. Here you can able to see paper size. There are various kinds of paper size like letter A4, A3, legal, executive, so and so. You can able to select what is the paper size you're going to print, and you can able to adjust the width and height. And paper use, here from where the paper has to be taken from the printer. Yes, it is a first page, it's a default tray, and other pages and default tray, that will be an option. Either this setting can be applied to whole document, or for this particular session that can be obtained by using apply to. Next one is a layout, used to set the line numbers, borders, headers and footers options. Here is a layout, either you can use to select a new layout or a new pages, as well as if you want to make a difference between header and footer for different pages, yes, different odd and even for different odd and even pages, you can able to give the header and footer parameters, or you can for a lone first page you can able to change it. It's on page, it's a vertical alignment. There are vertical alignment is the top, center, like that. And then either this setting can be applied to all document for this session, as well as if you want to use line numbers, yes you're allowed to use your line numbers, where you can able to start the line numbers. And borders, if you want to put the page borders, yes you're allowed, you can do it using page borders. And thank you for being with us.